Disclaimer: Onpassive believes in real business, with real products involving real employees. We are an AI technology company that builds fully autonomous SaaS products using the latest AI software technologies for our global customer base. The customers who aim to accelerate innovation and transform their businesses from strategy to designing, implementing, and managing get their subscription to our software products through the SaaS business model. Onpassive does not believe in, encourage or endorse a so-called get-rich-quick model. We are not an MLM, multi-level marketing, company. We are not into chain marketing. Onpassive is not an investment platform. Neither we are into stocks, investment instruments, nor do we guarantee or promise any secured income returns at any level. Any sort of derogatory statements against our company is strictly forbidden. Publishing videos or content in online social mediums without substantial proof would be considered an attempt of criminal defamation. The company reserves the absolute right to take legal actions against the perpetrators and the miscreants. Co-founders are the early adopters and future customers buyers, potential resellers of Onpassive software products. However, the model is yet to be defined as it depends upon the scale and reach of our envisioned products. If you were misled by any individual to join the O-founder community, or if someone has ever promised or is promising you some sort of guaranteed returns, please do a report at legal@onpassive.com. We would be happy to refund your money through our O-founders support system after appropriate validation and verification.